Why do immune complex and antibodies accumulate in joints during an infection? Today we had a virology lecture, and one of the symptoms of the infection was arthralgia. The professor explained that this joint pain is due to accumulation of immune complex or antibodies in the joints. I need a further explanation, but I didn't find articles or books that give more answers, especially to why they accumulate in the joints and not another location. The answer: they can accumulate in other tissues. It's a matter of how much, though. Immune complexes can deposit in any end organ and capillaries and cause local inflammation or damage. There is infection-mediated lung capillary damage, kidney damage, skin damage, etc., all from immune complex deposition, which can lead to unchecked immune responses. Joints don't need much deposition, though, to cause pain, which is why this is such a common area, while you really need a substantial accumulation for significant kidney damage, for example. One example is post-strep staph glomerulonephritis. Not all autoimmunity has anything to do with immune complexes, though. Crohn's and UC cause arthritis and other symptoms through direct cell-mediated attack on tissues outside the GI tract. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.